Hello guys, this is Rafiq with you. If you have banking apps on your iPhone, you need to change these settings before you go through the process of opening it up. The most important one is to protect your identity and your banking information, especially when you go to login and get something that says enter a verification code. I'm going to walk you through the easy steps that you need to take to protect yourself. The first thing we're going to do is head into the Settings app of your iPhone. From the Settings app, tap on General towards the bottom, and then scroll down and tap on Autofill and Passwords. From here, scroll down to the bottom. And the first thing that we need to make sure is when you get a verification code texted to you from your banking app, you need to make sure that's deleted immediately. Keep in mind, they do expire after about 10 or 15 minutes, but you want to make sure it's deleted after use. So you can see it says automatically delete those verification codes. So if this is turned off, make sure to turn this on. The next thing we want to do is make sure that those codes are not being forwarded to another device. And essentially, they'll get the verification codes in addition to your iPhone. So let's make sure that's not happening by. Here in the search field, search text message forwarding. This will take you directly to text message forwarding window. Here, you can see I'm forwarding my text messages to my MacBook. If you have anything turned on here, they will get those verification codes as well. And essentially make sure no one else is on that device getting your codes when you choose to log into a banking app. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow here till we get back to the beginning of your settings. Let's make sure that when somebody buys something or you get a deposit, maybe from your paycheck, it doesn't just pop up in the notification for everybody to see how much money is coming in and out of your banking app. To make sure they're not able to see that, from the beginning of your settings, tap on Notifications and then find for your banking app. Then tap on that. Now, I have allowed notifications, which is perfectly fine. However, if I scroll down, you can see Show Previews, and maybe it's set to Always or When Locked. Essentially, what this means is if I get my paycheck every month, or I make a big purchase, then anybody with my iPhone can just pop in and see those notification previews without unlocking my iPhone. So, I'm going to switch this to Never. I never want to show those previews. I'll still get the notification, but it won't show me information until I log into that app and open it up. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow until we get to the beginning of your settings again. Let's help protect your banking apps by scrolling down and tapping on Face ID and passcode. You're going to just enter in the passcode used to unlock your iPhone. And now from here, you can see it says Use Face ID for. Tap on Other apps here. In my case, 12. You can see there is my banking app. So, make sure if that is toggled off, just toggle this on. And in addition to that, any banking apps you want to turn this feature on. This basically makes it more secure by using your face to authenticate logging in. And this prevents somebody, even if they know your password, they'll need to use that Face ID to be able to log in on your phone. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow. And we're going to scroll down because we want to make sure it says Allow Access when locked. You want to make sure the wallet is turned off. So, if this is turned on, then anybody can access that wallet even when your phone is locked. You want to make sure to turn that feature off. But I would also recommend turning everything on here off. Essentially, you don't want anybody to access anything while your iPhone is locked. You want it to be completely secure. And then of course you can unlock your iPhone manually and then have access to whatever you want. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and share and subscribe for more.